Roxxon's attacking the underground. Better get there before it escalates.
Damn!
Hey! Can't let the underground and Roxxon fight here. Innocent people will get hurt. You could just talk this out in a public forum. Let's say like a city council meeting.
This little underground crime ends here. Engaging the underground. Spider-Man, taking aim.
He's off that one!
Take him down! Too much, Spider-Man!
Even Spider-Man can't fight this!
All down. Yeah. Roxxon and Underground are gonna tear the city apart. Always been afraid of a crane dropping something on me. No way am I letting one fall over. Wow, that is a lot of ice. Let's see what that construction worker says.
Okay, boss. What's the plan?
Finn's family has a repair shop in Midtown. She used to do all her work there. If I'm lucky,
Spider-Man.
she still does.
Okay.
Wouldn't it be easier to just call her and...
Your crane looks very drowsy. How can I help?
Yeah, drowsy. The motor burned out and all the ice buildups thrown it off balance.
Yep, that's bad, all right.
I cleared the area under the crane, but it could still fall onto the street. You gotta get the ice off before that happens.
I'm on it. Nice to meet you. Ugh. This is why P gave me a C in quipping.
Man, you skinny. Those icicles are bigger than you.
will clean that ice off. Just need to get close enough. This is oddly satisfying. Almost done de-icing. Usually I'm terrible at breaking the ice, but ooh, that was bad. Webs will clean that ice off. Just need to get close enough. Anyone need more ice? Whew. Now to find a good spot to steady the crane from. Okay, just need to swing it back away from the street. Oh, no, 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 no! Okay, didn't hurt anyone. But if I know my train schedules, I gotta get that off the tracks ASAP. Must punch faster! Time to bail! Well, stopping the crane was only the tip of the iceberg. But... okay, that's enough ice puns for today.
Hey man, lost you there. So, what's the plan?
Finn's family has a repair shop in Midtown. She used to do all of her work there. If I'm lucky, she still does.
Wouldn't it be easier to just call her and talk?
I don't think so, man. Seeing her on the bridge? I don't know that person. I need to figure out why she's doing all this.
Alright, man. Do what you feel is right. Keep me posted. Miles! Finally got through.
Oh, hey, Pete. What's going on?
I saw the news. It was in Simkarian, so either a bridge exploded or a bagel was fumigated, which doesn't make any sense in context. Either way, I'm looking at flights. I can be back tomorrow night.
No, don't do that. It's okay. I figured out who's responsible, and I'm gonna stop them. I promise.
Okay, I trust you. But if you need help, I'll be on the first plane home. Otherwise, I'll see you when I get back in a few weeks, okay?
Yeah, okay. Thanks. And good luck learning some Karian.
Why are there 7 different words for bathroom?
Hard to think of something more evil than robbing a feast truck. Can't let them kill that guy. Watch out! They've got backup!
Come on now! Grab them and ditch the spider!
You're getting in! Crap! That's helpful!
bleeding!
Shop's all boarded up. Sad to see it like this. Should find a low-profile way in. Don't want to draw attention. Here we go. Hello? Man, this place is dusty. No one's been here in a while. Rick's ESU textbooks. He took night classes so he could keep running the shop during the day. Guy was unstoppable. Someone left the lights on. Roxxon ID for Ella Sterling. But the photo is of Finn. The team that created Newform all got sick. Wait, Rick was project lead? Some kind of meds. GCSF. Used for treating bone marrow decay. Whose was this? Nothing in here's been touched for at least 6 months. Okay, this is a secret room. Finn must have designed all the Underground's gear. Funny how we both started wearing masks. Video file from 6 months ago.
Running a test upload.
Half my team is sick, but Krieger still want him at his new form. We need to do this tonight.
Let me. You sure we're ready?
We have to be. They broke ground in Harlem today, ahead of schedule.
Poisoning the city to make a buck.
They keep cutting corners, ignoring safety reports. I can't let them pervert my work like this, Finn.
Okay, first we flush the core, then we wipe all data. You're sure they can't just make more of this stuff?
No, as long as we take out the backup supply in Jersey too. But without me, they'll have no idea how Newform works. Project will be DOA.
I'll record us. Things go wrong, video uploads straight to the Bugle.
Perfect. You ready to save New York?
Ready.
There's a second video.
No uploads. Phone must have been damaged. I won't let tonight be for nothing. I promise, Rick.
They were trying to shut the New Form project down. But something went wrong. Last known location of her phone. If I can track it. Come on, come on. Be invisible, be invisible. Come on.
He's here! Don't let him leave!
You can cloak?
Straight up vanishing really freaked these guys out. Can't stealth these guys till they calm down. They're too alert.
Don't let Spiderman near the...
Must have tripped a silent alarm or something.
He's picking us off!
Maria, everything all right over there? Maria's not answering. Someone check on her.
More friends joining the fun.
Stay away from us, Spider-Man!
Lights out for you.
Spider-Man!
Another one bites the dust.
Beck, any updates? Hello? Someone make sure she's all right. I'll see what's up.
Here, take 5.
Is that?
Close call.
I see him! I see him!
Okay, back to that computer. If I can find Finn's phone, maybe I can understand what happened to Rick and why she became the Tinkerer. There, got a location. I should call Genki, fill him in.